Hey everyone, so I'm back for another video for this tonneau cover. I was asked for a couple different people of a couple different features about it, and if I would run down like the installation part of it and stuff again real quick. What's sad is the very first cover I've ever bought, I paid to have it put on, and then after that I learned it only takes like 10 minutes to do it yourself. Anyway, this one is a fiberglass tri-fold build. I'll do some close-ups of the assembly stuff real quick, and then I'll go ahead and install it again and show it to you a little bit more. All right, so the very front panel, we're gonna have these ones here, and all it is a little a little metal piece that's gonna latch onto the side of your bed. And then there's this nut that you screw on to hold it in place. And pretty much you're just going to fit this underneath the ledge, which I'll show a close-up of that. And you're just gonna tighten it down, and that's what's gonna hold this onto your truck, both sides of the front. Second to third row, they're going to be pretty similar, but different handles, and they do lock in place as well. So with this one, it's just a different handle instead of that other piece, but it's the same concept. You're going to put that in under your ledge, and then you're just going to screw this and tighten it, and then you can use this to tighten it down. I'll show you a close-up of that as well. So what is nice about this tonneau cover is that it does have latches in the middle, unlike some of them. I also put this molly rack on since the last time we did the video. I'll do a video on this here next couple days as well for anybody interested. Now this cover does come with a weather seal that you'll be able to put on here in the front. Alright, these don't weigh too much. It's easy to be done with one person, even easier with two. But you just want to line it up in the front, make sure that you have everything covered. Now I always unstrap them and lay them all the way flat just to make sure that we are pretty close to what I want. And once you have the liner where you want it, now you can put these on and then just make sure to tighten these down. And then the center, we have that other strap that I showed you, or the other kind of clamp that you'll have to set up for your, that you'll have to adjust. But just put it on there, clamp it down, and it has these little cotter pins that you'll put in the holes on the side here, which will keep these from being undone easily by cargo and stuff, because these will come undone if you don't. All right, once those center ones are placed, then we have our last set in the back. And it's going to be the exact same thing. All right, just like that, you have a cover on. It looks really nice. All right, so I'll give you a look all the way around. Show that this one is somewhat of a lower slim profile compared to some of them. We go all the way around. You'll also see that it does have weather stripping inside on all the corners. We also do have the rubber pads as well. We also have the buckles up here to store it. And then we'll do a quick look of it folded up. This is what the side view looks like when it's folded. It does have these straps on both sides to hold it in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my truck, and we'll just do a test of how well the water stays out. Now normally I wouldn't spray directly on it, the side like that, but to do a really good test. Alright, so I do think that would simulate a pretty decent rainstorm. So let's go ahead and take a look, and more than that, because I pressure washed the sides. And when we look inside, there are a few droplets, but overall we are fairly dry. And if I didn't use the pressure washer, we definitely wouldn't even have those droplets. Now it's washed and shiny. Alright, so there's my updated demo. Hopefully this answers a few of the questions that I had been asked. I've had a couple people in person ask me a couple questions about it as well. Overall, it's a really nice looking tonneau cover. It's got a really nice glossy shine to it, and it's really easy to put on. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.